Silver against US dollar this week has risen in value, and we can see that the price has formed a bullish breakout above 31.18 with this bullish candle and reached this area of resistance, a supply zone at 32.116. Here the price stayed for a while, and we can see that on a Thursday the price formed this strong bearish candle, which is a bearish engulfing candle, suggested further decline down. And especially this one is being shared inside the premium analysis with the traders and with the target right here at the support level. This was shared also on the 4-hour time frame, so the price has reached this area of support, so the traders were informed on time about the potential targets, and this was a successful one. Now we can see that the weekly time frame has created a bearish candle with a large wick on the upside, where the price tried to reach higher price levels, but it has bounced back down, returning to the first support level. Monthly time frame shows me that the previous month has closed as a bearish candle, and currently the price tried to return back up, but we can see this week the price has returned here and formed an indecision candle with a larger wick on the upside. What we can expect? Well, based on what I can see currently, it is much more bearish oriented than it is bullish, so currently I am expecting that the price will drop in value next week. And especially on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this bearish breakout has been confirmed, so I'm expecting that the price will drop in value. But we will see what happens also on the 1-hour time frame, which is a very important one on the silver, where I also watch on the daily basis and inform the traders about the potential move when the price makes a breakout. So currently what I can see on the daily time frame, weekly time frame is at the very important support level. Currently it is below the support on the lower time frame, we can see that, but needs to be confirmed, and I also expecting to see the price, if the price makes a breakout below this area 30.48, I will also inform the traders inside the premium analysis about the next target, and we can see where the next target is, especially an area here. We can see that the price will stop probably right here at 30.24 first of all, where the price has come very close this week, yesterday, and then after that the price will try to manage to reach this area of demand zone at 30.14. But if the price returns back up, especially above this area at 30.87, this will be a false breakout. So pay attention that on a Monday this needs to be confirmed if it is this bearish breakout, which means the bullish candle should not return back above. If it returns, that means this one breakout has been failed, and I'm expecting that the price will rise in value, where we can see that first will be here at 30.90 and after that 31.18. So this needs to be watched very closely on the lower time frame. So if you would like to receive these updates, feel free to check the premium analysis. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.